In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a header on your Wix website. Whether you're enhancing your website's design or updating your branding, adding a header can be a crucial element. Let's dive into the steps. First, head over to Wix and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to your website's dashboard. This is where you'll have access to all the elements and settings you need. From there, click on the Edit Site button to launch the Wix Website Editor. This is your main hub for customizing your site, with various tools and options at your disposal to make your website truly unique. With the editor open, your next step is to click on Pages and Menu, which you'll find on the left side of the screen. This section allows you to manage all the pages on your website, providing a clear overview and easy access to page-specific settings. Taking the time to explore this menu can help you understand how your site is organized overall. Once you're in the Pages and Menu section, look for the three dots, often referred to as the More Options icon, next to the page name where you want to add or edit your header. Clicking this icon will open a drop-down menu offering several options. It's a convenient way to access additional settings without cluttering your main view. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open the Page Settings panel where you can adjust various configurations like the page's layout, permissions, or design elements. Familiarizing yourself with the Settings panel can really help you customize your site to match your vision. After opening the Settings, the next step is to locate and click on the Layout tab. Layout is a crucial aspect of your website design, affecting how content is presented and how users navigate your site. It's always a great idea to experiment with different layouts to find one that best suits your content and style. Finally, inside the Layout tab, you will find the option to click on Standard. Selecting this will add a header to your page. Adding a header can enhance navigation by allowing visitors to easily find links to other parts of your site. Keep in mind that headers are often the first thing visitors see, so it might be beneficial to include your site name or logo and any important navigation links here. And there you have it. You've successfully added a header to your Wix website. This process not only helps improve the aesthetic appeal of your site, but it also enhances functionality, making your site more user-friendly. Remember, a well-designed header can significantly impact your website's first impression, so be sure to customize it in line with your brand's identity. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I look forward to seeing what you create.